Make they follow me for back. Follow me for back.
Because the road no wide. Now they form like say
I say follow me for back.
What's your problem now?
As a caretaker concerned, the woman say I am the caretaker of this house. You need a caretaker.
You caretaker.
What did the woman talk?
That woman know the grace. That woman resemble who gets sense. You know who carry house give you. Who resemble who they thief people like.
Nobody carry you go to the place. If I don't know the woman, you call me thief. The woman knows that I be thief.
I not talk say be thief.
And what do you talk?
I say you resemble person who dey thief land.
Person where the thief land not be thief.
Be careful. I don't the one you know they point me finger.
I am the caretaker.
She say more look after house.
I'm the caretaker.
Nope.
I must say.
See, I get bro with your size. What you hear me?
How many times
I
did
you
tell
I you hear me.
I'm the caretaker. Wallahi. You know,
you don't know me. You know, never say one guy. Because
if you don't be saying because you are friend, I will give you bula.
No, say you don't know me.
You know what can be bula.
You know, say if I dey laugh, now that time I be bad.
You know, say I'll give you bula.
I don't dey laugh. Oh.
You know bula. You know bula.
Bula. Now that no be name of food.
Now this one, I will give you like this.
Then me I go come add and join like this.
Take your time.
No.
If I bend down, carry your leg through my house here.
At the house, somebody made the trick. At the house, at the house, somebody made the trick. At the house, somebody made the trick.
Stop, calm down, me talk and
I don't talk. At the house, somebody made the trick.
You resemble person supposed to be prison. So if he said to now, mo go police station, I'll go tell them say this man supposed to be prison so that they'll carry you go.
Why they fight the Allah?
Tell me, they wonder now.
Are you know my friend?
Talk.
Okay.
Now, if our children can't see us like this, now I say they want.
Okay, tell me sorry. Tell me sorry.
No, you talk now first.
No.
Tell me sorry.
Tell me sorry. No, we start the problem. Now me go come first talk sorry.
Okay, sorry. This is your room. This is your room. And that one is my house.
You say you get sense. You say you get sense.
What will happen?
Now you like better thing.
I be caretaker the Allah.
Which kind of caretaker?
You know why I say make you stay for here? I don't want you to make it very close to my house. If you get close to me one day, I will wake up in the morning. If I see you for my dream, I will kill you.
You know, say now you resemble gate man.
Wallahi, I will kill you.
So that me I go there. You know that side now be owner's corner.
Come here, Kananga. I slap you wallahi. Kasan Allah.
No.
Allah, that Nigerian beggar hook.
Why would they fight with me? Why would they fight?
But that's true. You're not supposed to fight.
Take it easy.
Okay.
And that abin da za a yi, we're supposed to get key. So now we go do interview for tenant. Ko ba ka ba?
Not true.
We go do interview for tenant. Ko ba ka ba ne? Amma sai na